Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this slow feeding bowl for dogs. As you can see, here it is. You've got several mechanisms for storing the food, storing treats, and it just allows your dog to take more time to eat. The box says that it can take basically 15 to 25 times slower depending on what mechanisms you have in there. It's all food grade material, and as you can see, there's the functions. You got two separate containers here for slowing down the eating. It's got nice like bendable rubber, so all good solid materials. You've got 4 suction cups on the bottom. This allows it to stick to the floor, stick to this mat here. That's also included, and it ensures that everything stays in place and it's not too messy. Overall, I highly recommend this if you just want to slow down your dog eating and make sure that they're eating a lot more slowly. Thanks for watching.